I'm trying to call you, but your phone is put me on a voicemail. Cry need for, carry 5 finger, thought you gonna see me. When I dress up, I don't mismatch. On WhatsApp, you hit me with the blue tick. I'm strong, man, I don't bleed easy. I enjoy even it's hard to won't stand by me. Cashmoon. Why you acting like a prima on this love? If you feel like you want to leave, you just leave. If you don't want me anymore, you better tell me. Since you got a new friend, you treat me like an outsider. If our love is over, coffee out. Don't hesitate me to notify me that you got a new lover of your heart. Such things happen. I'm still trying to call you, your phone put me on a voicemail. I don't understand what's going on. Maybe it's a signal, maybe it's a load shedding, maybe you abuse, maybe you avoid me. I'm thinking so much in the way I'm heading. I need some pen blocks. Do for me a favor when you get my missed call. Get back to me as soon as you can. I won't sleep without to hear in your voice. Baby, you are blessed to have someone like me in your life. If I were you, I will hold on to this love until the end. I'm always fighting to put my music on top. I want you and I to live a better life.